Okay, if you are wanting to make the explosion box, this one does not have a lid right now, but the heart explosion box with the nice hearts in the middle, and you'll notice this one, the hearts come up to the very edge. They match the edge of the outline of the box. And the hearts that are in Design Space, if you try to add them to your corners, you can add them, but you'll have a hard time. So if you want to make this one in Cricut Design Space, follow along in this quick video, and I'll show you how to make the outside of the box, which is just 2 rectangles, and then how to make a separate heart with 2 other shapes within Design Space, and it will come out just like this one, and it will be easy to fold. What I did when I do this one, you can make the score lines with this Design Space, but I just went ahead and folded it without the score lines, and I just match the corners up, and then also the sides will fold right in because they line up right where the corner is, and then it easily folds together. So let's go over to Design Space and quickly create this template. Okay, here's how you make the heart for the heart explosion box with Cricut Design Space. Let me minimize everything. We're not going to use the heart that is in the shapes right here. We're not using this one because we're going to use this shape right here to make our own heart. So let's just pull this in and duplicate. And now we need to rotate this 90 degrees and grab both of those items, both of these shapes, and align to the left, to the right, and then for the top. And so now we can weld, and we do have a heart shape. Now, in order to get this heart shape onto the heart explosion box template, you need to make your box template. So let's just put this aside and grab our rectangle shape, which is a square, and change the width to 6, and you need to unlock your dimensions first. So 6 by 2 is what it needs to be. And also I'm going to duplicate that, and I'm going to go 90 degrees with that shape, and then grab both of those, selecting both of those, align, center, and weld. And so now you have your basic box template. Each square for your box is 2 inches, so we need to go over here and change our heart to just 2 inches. And so now instead of dragging it where we want it, we can actually select both of these items, the box and the heart, and align to the bottom as well as align to the left. And because this is a perfect heart, it will line up exactly with your other box template part. So now you need to just weld that together and click on it and duplicate. And now we're going to rotate this one 90 degrees. And so select both templates, this one, and align, center, and weld. And so just duplicating that several times, we will get the heart explosion box template that you want to use for your explosion box. So let's do that again. Duplicate and rotate 90 and select both of those and align, center, and weld. And one more time, duplicate, rotate, select both, and center, and weld. And there is your perfect heart explosion box template. You can go ahead and add in your score lines if you want to do that. And what you'll need to do is just keep rotating to get the lines that you need. So that will be another workshop, but right now you do have the template for your heart explosion box, and I'm going to change the color to red. That is ready to cut out as it is. We can also make it bigger, and it will fit the 12 by 12 cardstock, but the sizing is going to be 11.5, I believe. Let's see. I'm going to hide the rest of this items and ready to print or cut. And it fits perfectly on our mat. So that is what we need. And at this point, if you want to add anything to your design, if you want to make it multiple layers or you want to have a heart in the center of this, you would just go back and grab your heart. We need to resize it for this template. Let's make it lighter pink so we can see it. And let's make it a 2-inch heart. If I grab that and arrange it to the front, it probably needs to be bigger. Just going to stretch it. And that will fit right in the middle. And so you can duplicate that. You can as well just duplicate this and make different sizes, layering your explosion box. So let's do this one as purple. Sometimes we like to do a black on the outside with red on the inside. So if I go ahead and make this one red and make the larger one black, and just keep layering.